Students, today in part 2, we are going to learn the important features of the different civilizations. Town planning is the unique feature of Harappan civilization. The cities of the Harappan civilization had a systematic and developed town planning. The houses were built of sun-dried or mud bricks. The houses were built from north to south and from east to west. They were built on the corners of the street so that there is a passage, that is a road, which could cross each other at right angles, and the carts can go from one place to another. The granaries are huge storehouses of grains. These granaries were also built with bricks. The structure of a granary was over 45 meters. It was built to keep the grains away from mice and other animals, as well as to protect it from floods. Harappan houses were very spacious. They had either one or two floors with a single room built around a courtyard. Each house had its own bathroom, and the latrines had covered drains which were connected with the street drains. There were underground drains for the streets. The drains were covered with stones. This shows that Harappan people took good care of health and hygiene. It is believed that a town had more than 700 wells. Most houses had private wells and some were public. These wells were constructed with bricks. The Harappan city was divided into the upper town and the lower town, and each town had a separate fortification. Fortification is a wall or a tower built especially to protect an area or a place from the wild animals or from strangers. The Harappan pots were bright, red in color, and were well baked. Pots of various types and shapes have been found at the excavation sites of Harappan civilization. The pots had different patterns and design in black color. Some of the designs include people leaves, fish scales, interlocking circles, etc. These pots, when tapped, produced a metallic sound. Means when the pots were touched or hit lightly, it made a sound. In some of the states, even today, the pots are used as a musical instrument. The Harappan craftsmen were skilled in various arts such as making bronze, copper or gold objects and beads from semi-precious stones of various colors. Semi-precious means less valuable than the precious stones such as diamond, rubies, etc. Ornaments made from these things were in great demand in Mesopotamia. The names of Harappan gods and goddesses are unknown, but with the help of the pictures on the Harappan seals and the clay statues of a human form, We know that the people worshipped Pashupati, lord of all living animals, and also the mother goddess. Sports and entertainment. There were a variety of sports and means of entertainment in the ancient civilizations. Among all, hunting and wrestling were the important games. The games which were played with the help of game boards and gamesmen were also popular. Archaeologists feel that the clay objects that are excavated at Harappan sites were used as gamesmen. In ancient Egypt, board games were a favorite pastime of people. Senet, that was similar to chess, was the most popular of these. This game was played with a game board and gamesmen. It is believed that Senet may be the oldest board game in the world. Similar games were played in ancient China, Mesopotamia, and at Harappa. Toys found in the Harappan sites excavations included whirls, whistles, rattles, bullock carts, animals, and birds on wheels. They were made from clay, sticks, and rocks. Music and dance were very important means of entertainment, especially at the time of festivals. Ancient people used many types of musical instruments. In Mesopotamia, a string instrument called balag, made of gold, was very popular. Some other instruments like cymbals, rattles, flutes, drums, etc. were also played. The Egyptian kings were called as pharaohs. In ancient time, Pharaoh used to participate in the celebrations and dance on the occasion of certain festivals. The bronze image of a dancing girl found in the excavation at Mohenjo-daro was discovered by the British archaeologist Ernest Mackay. This image is the proof that dance was an important part of the Harappan people's life. Thank you for watching the video.